Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple yet super handy feature on WhatsApp. How to pin a chat on the desktop version of the app. If you use WhatsApp on your PC, this feature is perfect for keeping your most important conversations right at the top, so you never have to scroll endlessly again. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Next, locate the chat you want to pin. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat, whatever is most important to you. Scroll through your chat list until you find it. Once you've found the chat, simply right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Pin to Top. And that's it. The selected chat will now move to the very top of your chat list and stay there, no matter how many new messages you receive from other contacts. This feature is especially useful if you have a busy chat list and want quick access to certain conversations, like work groups or family chats. You can pin multiple chats as well, so feel free to organize your list in a way that works best for you. If at any point you decide you no longer need a chat pinned, just right-click on it again and choose Unpin. The chat will return to its original position in your list. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your WhatsApp desktop experience more organized and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.